Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff, and welcome to me attempting to make another bowl. This is going to be, hopefully, theoretically, hypothetically, the bowl that I'm going to give away as my 1,000 subscriber Q&A giveaway that I've been doing over the last couple of months, where I got people ask me questions, and then I answer the questions in a subsequent video, and then I take all the people who asked questions and I answered the questions, and I put them in a draw to win a thing. I hadn't figured out what that thing was when I started, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make essentially another one of the adequate bowls, except I'm going to try to gather up pieces from previous projects from the channel and glue them up into a blank to make the bowl out of. So that's the idea. I'm going to go through the scraps. I'm not sure if this is going to be a fully made of scraps from previous projects, because I have had a couple of backyard burns the last little while where I got rid of some scrap, but should be close. I should have enough random chunks from other old projects that are on the YouTube channel, and those pieces will go into a blank, which will hopefully turn into a bowl, which I will then draw a name out of to give away. So that's the idea. Let's look around. I don't know. I burned a lot of scrap the past couple of weeks, but I try not to burn the expensive stuff, even if it's little, because I'm a wood hoarder. And if I paid 10, 12 bucks a board foot for something, throwing out even a third of a board foot is like, yeah, I'm cheap. But we'll see. Let's go looking, see what we find, and then see if we can't make a bowl out of it. This could all go horribly wrong. This is probably going to go horribly wrong. And then I'm going to have to figure out something else to give away. Okay, so I found some bits that are definitely from projects on the channel. Some walnut from the kitchen table, the Spagnolo trestle table. This is going to be the bulk of the bowl, probably. This is the Meranti that I've used for the legs on both the sofa table and the raised dog bowl feeder, as well as the corners of the record crate. This is a piece of African mahogany that's just barely long enough from the coffee table. I've got this piece of red oak still that was the broken down coffee table top that I used for the drawers on my tool cabinet. And I think if I just sort of jam these all together, it'll be close. I might have to do 2 strips of the oak, maybe one on each side or something. It'll be close. That's enough wood, and I think that I'll figure out a way to make it look pretty cool. So let's get making sure everything's flat enough to get glued into a blank, and we'll do that. Glued into a blank. All right. This might be cool. This might be cool. All right, let's have a look. 3 oaks, Meranti, 2 walnuts, and an African mahogany. What do we got? They are just over 6, say 6 1/4 long. So I need, okay, we're going 6 by 6. The adequate bowl is 5 1/2. Yeah, okay, all right, we're doing good here. Let's figure out what looks nice. Oh, that looks all right to me. Should big fat one be in the middle? No, I don't like that. Yeah. I think I like that just like that. All right. Yeah. Well, there we go. It's a nice little bowl. It's actually significantly nicer than the Adequate bowl, which is too bad. That somebody else is gonna have a nicer bowl that I made than I have. I actually, for a second, I thought about just like sending the Adequate bowl as the prize, and then keeping this one. But this one actually means a fair bit to me. So this one it's super cool. It's made out of old scraps from other projects on the channel. And yeah, you can win this. I'll put the link up there to the final call for questions to get in your name in the draw. North America only, remember. I'm not shipping this overseas because this bowl would probably cost $100 or something to send overseas. But happy with how it came out. I'm going to put all the names of the people who I answered questions from in this and draw the winner probably next week. And don't forget, if you want to help me keep doing what I'm doing on the channel, you want to support the channel, you can go over to patreon.com/woodenthings and stuff. I will leave a link down in the bottom in a pinned comment or something. And you can go over there and check out the various tiers and opportunities and special things that you can get for helping me out. Anyway, that's it. Happy with it. Good luck, everybody. Somebody's going to have a nicer bowl that I made than I do. It's fine. I'll just make another nicer bowl than I already... Make a nicer bowl than this one that I can have. That's what I'm going to do. And then you won't have the nicest bowl that I've ever made anymore. You, whoever you are. All right, bye for now.